Murli, thanks very much for joining us here on Times Now. Now, whatever people may say, you're the one who holds the world record. You're the one who took 800 wickets. Bishan Singh Bedi has called you a chakka before. He is still saying the same. What has been the hardest time of your career? A week after the Mumbai oil disaster, exclusive ISRO satellite images showing the extent of the oil slick have been revealed. The slick extending from South Mumbai to the mangroves near the Elephanta Island, spreading all the way down to Alibag, can clearly be seen in these Cartosat-2 images. A young girl goes into depression and then gets paralyzed after being rebuked by a judge. An 11-year-old girl commits suicide just because she stopped from taking part in a reality show. Hello and welcome to the Polo Series from the Singapore Polo Club, where we bring you all the news and all the action from this glamorous sport of kings. I'm Mandira Lalwani and joined here today by Tim Koo Jones, a member of the Singapore Polo Club, as a guest presenter. Welcome aboard. Sri Lanka are yet to win a test series here in India, and if they do so this time, they'll have broken a 27-year-old jinx. Now, the man who's the captain of the ship this time round is Kumar Sangakkara. Sanga, your thoughts going into the series? A lot of pressure. You've seen the way India has played against Australia. So what are your thoughts going into the series?
Oh, that's a pass because we think because it doesn't count at all because a new series and it's going to be a test series.
नमस्कार, लंच टाइम पवेलियन से में आपका स्वागत है। पहला सेशन समाप्त हुआ। गौतम गंभीर और वीरेंद्र सहवाग ने अपना बल्ला खूब घुमाया। सौरव गांगुली और कपिल देव, हमारे दो पूर्व कप्तान, और ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को प्रेजेंटर आयाज मेमन। सहवाग की ये पारी जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से उन्होंने खेला, हमें शुरुआत में देखा कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी टेंटेटिव थी, लेकिन जैसे वो खेलते गए, स्ट्रोक्स बेहतर होते गए, मजबूत होते गए, वैसे ही वो उभर कर निकले। कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट फाउंडेशन है। सिद्धू अभी स्टूडियो में होते तो उनके फोर्स को देखते बोलते ठटाक 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 उन्होंने फोर्स मारे। आइए नजर आते हैं टाटा डोकोमो सुपर फोर्स पर। Thanks very much. I've got Imran Farhat here with me, who's very excited about being here in Colombo. Imran, tell us about your experience this far. We've got Jerome Taylor here from the West Indies, who's playing here for the Rahuna Royals. Jerome, what are your thoughts at this stage of the match? Pretty decent start for your team. Thanks for that. I'm standing here with Kaushi, or Cash as he likes to be called, from Vayapa United. Fantastic knockout. I think your partnership with Mahila was pretty much the foundation of the runs you've scored today. How was it playing alongside him? We're not in Kandy anymore. We're back at this humid Prevadasa Stadium. But here with me is Mahila Jayawardene, a man who can't stop smiling. At least you were till now. Mahila, your team off to a flying start again. With me is a man who you'd expect more to see on a cricket field rather than the Formula One circuit. Well, with me is the Master Blaster here in the Force India facility at Silverstone. Sachin, your love for Formula One and racing is legendary. So tell us a little bit more about that. So in a nutshell, England are through to the final. At the end of today, we'll know the other team that will take them on in the final of the ICC Women's World Cup 2009. Thank you for joining Melanie Jones and me here at this beautiful North Sydney Oval, which is dressed in pink today, as are we, and this is in aid of the McGrath Foundation. Absolutely right, Deep. The race for the final spots for the 2010 World Cup enters its final leg tonight as the world football's biggest guns go head-to-head in a knockout to determine who will make that all-important cut for South Africa. And in the reckoning, of course, there's France and Ireland. This is the biggest game of the night. France will take on Ireland, with the French looking like the favourites to book a spot in the 2010 World Cup, taking a 1-0 lead from the first leg in Dublin. Thanks for that. You know, this match is turning out to be fantastic and there are so many beats. And let's just hear it from the man who knows it all. You haven't stopped moving.
I'm having a ball, man. This is like carnival.
I've got to stop calling me Mandy, but I'm here with the dynamic Misbah ul Haq. Misbah, what are your thoughts about the game so far? You need a wicket desperately at this point, don't you? The moment I thought you'd met the special person was me, but obviously it's Mr. Nishanta Ranatunga, the Secretary of Sri Lankan Cricket. Sir, are you happy with the turnout here? Okay, thank you so much for talking to us. Mr. Nishanta Ranatunga there saying all those in front of their TV sets come to the grounds and watch it live. Back to you guys. Try and get you an update. I'm with Tamara, the physio of the Basna Hira Cricket Dundee team. Tamara, how's Riley doing? The polling in Maharashtra is over and the numbers are out. Gadchiroli beat Mumbai once again, and that too despite relentless violence by the Naxalites. These mails are indicative of Modi's strong legal backing by way of Ram Jethmalani and Harish Salve, which means Lalit Modi has managed to put the BCCI in a legal tangle with this strong response. Hello and a very warm welcome to Qurban, the times we live in. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, as the name suggests, of course, the chemistry between Saif and Kareena. Now, can I just say, the first couple of Bollywood, they're here with me in the studio. Very warm welcome to the two of you. Firstly, sir,
Pakistan has raised the question of Kashmir once again. It has asked for international intervention once again. It has also equated Kashmir with the Palestinian issue. Now, how does India feel about this comparison?
वोडाफोन IPL स्मैश में आपका स्वागत है। हम हैं यहाँ पर NSCI में वल्लभ भाई पटेल स्टेडियम में, मुंबई के बहुत ही शानदार स्टेडियम है। मैं हूँ मंदिरा लालवानी और मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में है निर्मला कोटनिस। निर्मला, वोडाफोन IPL का बिल्कुल अंतिम पड़ाव आ चुका है।
तेरा मुझे मालूम है तुम जितनी इमोशनल हो, मैं बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल हूँ, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कारवा था वोडाफोन IPL का, जहाँ हमने बहुत बेहतरीन खिलाड़ी देखे,